Hello, welcome to MoonStone. Today we will learn how to remove background from complex images in Adobe Photoshop. We know removing background from a tree is much more complex than any other object, so let's check it out. First, open an image in Adobe Photoshop. We can see the sky behind the tree. The image is very complex. There are some different techniques to remove the background. But to remove the sky from the tree, we first click on the Select option. Then click on Sky. It automatically selects the background sky. So easy. Now holding the Alt key, click on the mask icon. Now we can see it did a very decent job to remove the background sky. But we can see some blue sky behind the trees. To solve the problem, just double-click on the layer. Then select the blending option. Now set the blend if mode to blue. It will apply the effect only on the blue color. Now simply drag the slider to the left side. It's blending all the blue tones. But it's too harsh. So let's hold the Alt key. Click on the slider and split it. Then drag the slider according to your preference. That's enough. Now click on OK. We can see we lost some details. To fix that, type shortcut Ctrl L to set the levels. Now drag the slider from the left and right sides. It may vary depending on your image. Now holding the Alt key, click on the layer mask. Still, there are some details that are missing. To fix it, click on the Brush tool. Set the foreground color to white. And select the blending mode to Overlay. So the brush stroke will affect only the white area. Now paint the white color for those missing areas. Done. Now click on the layer mask. Then click on Select and Mask. It will open the mask option. We can see some white glow around the tree. To remove it, set the Refine mode to Color Aware. Now select the Brush tool and paint around the tree to remove all the unnecessary white glow. Wow, done. Now we can see the details. Now let's check some different background behind the tree. Later, you can adjust the levels, color, hue and saturation, brightness and contrast, etc. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more videos on tech solutions.